stunning website is what exactly you are waiting for to take your content creation into the next level, as here you can generate videos in any style or any type you are thinking of. So here when you land on this amazing website, Revid.ai, here if you over to this section, free AI video tools, you can find tons of these amazing tools to generate your videos as you see, even from LinkedIn post, website, text, audio, and so on and so forth. And if you scroll down to this see all tools, you would blown away as you observe. Here you can generate your videos using AI by converting your text, your script to generate TikTok videos, add captions, subtitles to your video in any language you can think of. You can here clip in your YouTube video and convert it to short videos. You can turn your PDF to Brainrot. You can make a token avatar, video podcast, face swapping, video maker. You can convert your article or your website to a video. You can convert your audio or podcast to an amazing video. You can insert here some amazing cinematic effects. Here you can find this beautiful and brilliant tool that you can add a voiceover to a silent video. It's amazing and mind-blowing tool. Here you can find this one comment silent video, or you can create your cartoon video, website to video, Reddit post, create a video quiz. Here even you can pick any product review on Product Hunt and convert it to an amazing video that review this product as you see. Or you can get a tweet and convert to video, LinkedIn post, AI ad generator, media to story, article to video, Amazon product video, and so on and so forth. Here you can find huge amounts of AI tools to convert anything to video literally. And the best part here, it gives you a free plan that gives you enough to make one video per time. And here you can actually solve this problem if you wanna run these tools for free. So you can, for sure, you can use temp emails as you want, as you know. And for sure, I just tested out this amazing website before for trying these some beautiful tools like this one, for example. I just here try to add a subtitle or caption to my video, my short video, and the result would like that. So here you can find amazing subtitles, and for sure you can actually customize this caption. Here you can convert it to Hermosi 1 or rap 1 as you see here. Beautiful as you want. So here just I tried this tool to add a caption or a subtitle to any video in any language you want. In addition, I just tried another tool like this one, like add an AI voice to a silent video. It's a stunning tool here, and you can't find this such a beautiful tool or any website else on the internet. So here you can upload your video from this option, and the AI would do the magic by adding a voice over or commentary to this video as you observe. So I tried it to upload a short video about a website, for example, and the result shocked me. So here it could be like this one.
Incredible. Archive today is a digital time machine that preserves web pages forever, even after they disappear from the internet. The homepage displays its powerful mission with a bold red banner. This digital preservation tool lets you immortalize any web page with just one click. Simply paste your URL into the text box, hit the red save button, and voila. That page is captured for eternity as a perfect snapshot.
Amazing Revid.ai. Here I just upload a silent short video about 10 seconds, and here this amazing tool analyzes the content of your short video or any video you want and gives you a commentary or voiceover who talks about this one as you exactly. And for sure we all know this one, archive.today, this website enables you to open and read any article, to break any paywall, to read any article in any website like on medium.com and so on. So here just I use this amazing tool to give me this voice actor or this commentary to my short video as you see. And for sure it increased this short video up to 1 minute. I just uploaded here just 10 seconds short video, silent video, and it gives me back a commentary for each video as you see. And moreover, I just tried an amazing tool. This tool that says text to Brainrot video generator. Here you can upload your own script. It could be fun facts, story, some metaphors, quotes, and so on. And it gives you this video with a background of these such Minecraft, Fortnite, satisfying videos as you see. So you can upload your text here just to get them from ChatGPT. And as for selecting a background video, here you can find different types, either for Fortnite or for space, UCG, satisfying backgrounds, videos, and so on. And for sure, if you select one of these amazing tabs like this one, Subway, you can find different templates or different videos as you observe. And for sure, I just tried this one to convert my video, and it could be amazing by that way.
Botanically, banana qualify as berries, while strawberries do not because their seeds are on the outside. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. The heart that pumps to the body stops when they swim.
As you see, brilliant and stunning video from this amazing tool and from this giant website Revid.ai. So it's time now to try this amazing website with all its amazing tools to convert any content you have, like a silent short video or article, post on LinkedIn, Reddit, and so on. And for sure you can find here a plethora of these tools to spark you to make content on social media and make money online. And just like I said earlier, you can try this amazing website completely for free. But here you can find something left. If you export this video, it would be with a watermark here in this corner. So instead you can try screen recorder to capture the whole screen or a specific area like this one. Then you can edit this video on any editing software like Filmora, DaVinci, Canva, and so forth. So by and large, you can try this tool and use it for free for your content creation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video.